Hey everyone, my name's Hugh. I'm part of a 4-person team that's currently in incubation at the Falmouth University Launchpad, and I'm here to speak to you today about our business, Carbon Certify. Carbon Certify is a platform which allows businesses to quickly estimate their carbon footprint and then compare offsetting projects from a variety of online vendors to facilitate the purchase of carbon credits that are high impact, good value and reliable. Under the Paris Climate Agreement, governments agreed to limit global warming to no more than 2 degrees Celsius, and to do this, businesses, individuals and governments must reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. In the medium to long term, this will be done primarily through the switch to low or zero carbon technologies. However, in the short term, and for emissions that cannot be avoided, offsetting via the purchase of carbon credits is a solution. Carbon credits were established under the Kyoto Protocol of 1997, and the process works thus. Project developers start initiatives such as renewables or reforestation which have a net negative impact on atmospheric greenhouse gas levels. The total amount of offset is then verified and calculated by independent certification bodies that issue certificates. Project owners can then sell these certificates or carbon credits to businesses that are looking to offset their emissions, either directly or via third-party vendors. In 2018, the value of this market was $296 million, and in 2020 this number is predicted to double. However, we've identified a number of challenges facing businesses that are looking to offset their emissions. Firstly, businesses are required to establish their current carbon footprint, which can be daunting. We're developing a quick yet accurate calculator which uses easy to find variables such as the number of employees, office size and energy bills to allow businesses to quickly calculate their footprint. With a footprint in hand, businesses are then faced with the second challenge, navigating the myriad carbon offsetting projects offered by online vendors. Buyers are concerned about the reputation of the vendors, the type of project the credits are being sourced from, the location of these projects and the permanence of the offset that they're buying. Our comparison tool allows purchasers to see all types of credits from all vendors and compare them on these factors and several more. Once purchasers have picked a vendor that they would like, we forward them from our platform onto the vendor where they can complete their purchase. We want to negotiate with vendors in order to establish a commission system on these transactions. We also hope to monetize via the introduction of featured listings and sponsored vendor pages. We're primarily targeting small and medium enterprises, of which there are 6 million in the UK. If all of these businesses look to offset their carbon emissions of roughly 25 tonnes per year at a cost of around £300 to the company, we'd be looking at transactions in the region of £1.8 billion. However, we realise that this proportion is that not every single business is currently looking to offset. However, with pressure increasing from customers, governments and investors to be more sustainable, this proportion will increase. We've just launched the first prototype of our site, which is now available at compare.carboncertify.com. We're looking forward to helping companies establish their footprints and begin offsetting as they move towards a more sustainable future. We're Carbon Certify. Thanks very much for listening.